Assalamualaikum students, hope so you will be fine. Today we will solve the exercise of unit number 12 and the first question is choose the correct answer. The first statement, what is the lower layer of the earth's atmosphere called? The first option is option A, stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. The first layer or the lower layer of the atmosphere is the troposphere. Troposphere is the first layer that is nearest to the earth's surface. Second statement, what does the ozone layer do, or what is the function of the ozone layer? It warms up the rays of the sun before they reach the ground. Option B, it produces the weather. It prevents some of the harmful rays of the sun from reaching the earth. And the last option is it prevents water vapor from forming. And the function of the ozone layer is to prevent some of the harmful rays that are known as the ultraviolet radiations of the sun from reaching the earth. Option C is the correct answer of this statement. Next statement, which gas forms over 75% of the atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon. Option B is the correct answer because nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. As you go up higher, the air gets thicker, thinner, smellier, dirtier. The atmosphere becomes thinner when we go up higher in the atmosphere. Which of the following is not true? Air has no weight, air can be used as a form of energy, air has mass, air can be compressed. These three options are true about the air because air used as a form of energy and air also has mass and air can be compressed easily. The option A is the answer of this statement because this is not true about the air. Air has no weight. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. The first statement, the layer of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. Atmosphere. Oxygen is used for breathing and burning. Plants use gas that is known as the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas from the air to make food. Air has weight and occupies space. It is humid when there is a large amount of water vapor in the air. Water vapors in the air. Moving air is called wind. Air that is squeezed into a small space is called compressed air. Next, when air is warm or hot, then it rises. Dash is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. This gas is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. The ozone layer is found in the layer of the atmosphere known as stratosphere. Stratosphere is a layer of atmosphere, second layer of the atmosphere where ozone layer is present. Let's move to the next page. Question number 3. Match the percentages to the correct answer. Here some percentages are given: 0.3%, 20.94%, 78.08%. We will match these percentage with its correct statement. 0.3% gas, carbon dioxide basically 0.3% in the atmosphere. So 0.3% of the atmospheric air is composed of carbon dioxide. Next, 20.94% of the atmospheric air is composed of oxygen. 78.08% of the Earth's atmosphere consists of nitrogen. Question number 4. Mark these sentences with true or false, tick or cross. Statement number 1. There is more oxygen in the air than any other gases. This statement is false because nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. Compressed air is under greater pressure than air in the atmosphere. This statement is true because we can compress the air under pressure or by force. The third statement, carbon dioxide is used by plants in photosynthesis. This statement is also true. Carbon dioxide is used by plants to make their food. Air is too light to have weight. This statement is false. The last statement, the troposphere is the layer of the atmosphere farthest from the surface of the earth. This statement is also false because troposphere is the nearest layer of the atmosphere and it is the first layer of the atmosphere. Question number 5, put these in order as instructed. From the closest to earth to the farthest. Here the different layers of atmospheres are given. Stratosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, exosphere. The first layer that is closest to the earth is troposphere. The second one is stratosphere, where ozone layer is present. Third layer is mesosphere. Fourth is thermosphere, and the last one, farthest from the earth's surface, is exosphere. Next statement, from the closest to earth to the furthest. शटल, रेन, क्लाउड्स, जेट्स, वेदर बैलून्स. ये एक ही वर्ड है, वेदर और बैलून नहीं, ये वेदर बैलून्स हैं. मीटियर्स. द क्लोजेस्ट टू द अर्थ इज रेन, देन शटल, देन वेदर बैलून्स, क्लाउड्स, jets, and furthest are meteors. Most in the atmosphere to the least. The most abundant gas is nitrogen, then oxygen, carbon dioxide, and the least amount of gas that is present in the atmosphere is xenon. From lowest to highest, minus 32 degrees Celsius is lowest temperature among these. Then 0 degrees Celsius. Third is 0.05 degrees Celsius. 422 degrees Celsius. And the highest is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay student, hope so you will understand. Thank you for listening.